Hello ulit! Welcome to Kuya's Hour and it's time to jam. Well,
Yes.
kasama ko po sila sa mga sa music ministry. Nasa church po kami and the leader of the church is Joshua.
Yeah!
Mga kuya, si Kuya Noel again, Kuya Janelle, and Kuya P. Short way po. Well, we'll be covering Kinder, Thieves of an Angel.
Labi
Hope
ng
you like
Anghel.
it. Labi ng Anghel.
Pasok!
Honey, when you're calling me same day, it's kinda hard to talk right now. Honey, when you're crying, is everything okay? Gather cause I can't be too loud. Well, my girl, to the next room. Sometimes I wish I was you. I guess we'll never return around. The voice say my name is so sweet. I'm calling it somebody.
Nawala!
Sorry.
Practice lang yun.
Practice lang yun.
Subukan namin kayo
Please.
kung makain kayo. Kasi